and dedication to the nation of transformative projects for Telangana held here at Hyderabad. What a historic moment, ladies and gentlemen. We are deeply honored to have amongst us our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. We also take the pleasure to welcome our Honorable Governor, Shri Shiv Pratap Shukla ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri Revant Reddy Garu, Honorable Union Minister, Shri G. Kishan Reddy Garu. We also take the pleasure to welcome the Union Minister of State, Shri Bandi Sanjay Garu, Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Konda Vishweshwar Reddy Garu. A hearty and a warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, senior officials, representatives, and esteemed gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request our Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri Yanamola Revant Reddy Garu, to felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister with warmth, dignity, and rich traditions of Telangana. Here we go. The Honorable Chief Minister is presenting with a special shawl and a special memento. The timeless symbol of strength, courage, శక్తికి భక్తికి సంపదకు ప్రతీకగా నిలిచే అద్భుతమైన నంది జ్ఞాపికను మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు ప్రధాని గారికి అందిస్తున్న శుభ తరుణం. This magnificent creation is not merely a memento. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a tribute of our traditions, values, and our enduring spirit of excellence.